My hair was a mess. I call it my skunk look, where the grays are taking over the top of the head and it wasn't doing anything. I would just pull it back into a ponytail. I was looking for someone who had curly hair experience, and I found the site and I did a lot of reading and I thought about it, and then I was like, okay, we're gonna try this. And I did, and I'm thrilled that I did it. You just feel so comfortable here. You just immediately feel like you're part of the family. I came in thinking that I was just going to get a single process, but he analyzed my hair, he looked at my hair, we did a whole head, and we've got a whole plan now. So this is what I've been looking for, someone who can come up with a whole plan. It just looks stunning. I'm just so happy with the color and how it looks. It's just beautiful, and I'm excited to kind of continue on the journey next week.